viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, we get a little rain yesterday, you know, so I'm gonna make a one check on the farm, so what's going on there. We get some lovely showers, yeah, lovely showers yesterday, you know what I mean. So going to make a check on the farm to see what's the position. All right, so stick around, but don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my channel. What is that? Whoa, a bug. All right, that is good luck.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yeah, my viewers, as you can see, water is everywhere. Water is everywhere. All right. Yeah, we get a lovely rainfall yesterday. Water is everywhere, my viewers. As you can see, we have dirt breaking away, you know what I mean? Yeah, water is everywhere, my viewers. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, having a little problem on the farm here, you know. The pump. Seems like the pump never want to work, you know. Too much rainfall yesterday, so the pump never did want to work. So I plug it out, take it out of the drum, put it back inside, start to run again. Alright, my viewers. So yeah, water is running. As you can see, lettuce is growing every day, taller and taller. Alright. Come on, the pump start to run as usual. Yeah, my viewers, you hear that? Come on, the pump is running. So yes, we're back on track. Alright. Check out this line. Check out this line, my viewers. Yeah. Alright. Lettuce growing day by day.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant sweet pepper, we are plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers up, gone abroad. We are moved from hut to hut. Banana start to ripe, a time we get good. Jamaican farmers hut.
Yeah, have some cabbage here. Plant about a week ago. Yeah, them get some rainwater yesterday, so you know, them kind of look bossy today. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, some cabbage, you know what I mean? Look on this one here. Yeah man, the rainwater make them bossy, you know? So, all of this area here is cabbage. Go right back to the card. Here we can see a card go across, yeah. Here's spare cabbage. Alright, so it's all about we just need some water. We just need some water on them to get them up and running. Alright, my viewers. So stick around because there's a lot more to come. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright. So this is where all of the trench come back to. Alright. So if there is too much water inside the settlement here, it run back here and it go across the road and go over to that gully there. Alright, so yeah, this is the settlement for all the trenches. All the water run come inside here from half the top of the greenhouse. Yeah, from the side of the greenhouse, as you can see some water inside this one. Everything lead back inside here. Alright.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican farmers.
Yes, my viewers, as you can see, the sky is cloudy. Yeah. Yeah, man. Over here it's very dark. We're gonna get some water early today for the plants them, you know what I mean? Yeah. This is the best fertilizer for the plant. Alright?
Yeah, I make sure say the upper top, the upper drum up so upper top up so full. I will make sure say them thing I run properly before we leave. You understand?
Okay, okay.
understand?
Yeah.
Make
Yeah.
sure say them.
Yeah, man.
them
Every line is running.
Yeah, before we leave. Because we are about to leave right now.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Understand what's going on. Yeah. So what really top them up? Dirt?
Yeah, it looks like it dirt. I pick up on it.
Oh, the pump pick up some dirt, send up.
Yeah.
It pump have on a filter supposed to. Yeah. Understand. Yeah, man, that one is running. Yeah, that one is running. Very good. Yeah, man. So yes, my viewers. Yeah, the hydroponic. We're checking all those microtube. Yeah. Want a little touch up. Make sure everything is running. Yeah. Sure everything is running. Yeah. So like every morning you check them, make sure so them running.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, everything is running now. So yes, my viewers. It is the hydroponic stand, you know. Make sure everything is running. Yeah, my viewers. Stick around. There's a lot more to come. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, there are trench right around the greenhouse. Yeah, so this trench is gonna be right down to the end of the greenhouse.
Yeah, man.
So yes, Sarasi, you is the man on the job. Yeah, so why all these trench cut?
Well, you want to see, you know, all of the water, you know, run going at the greenhouse, you know, and
Oh,
stop, we have to stop it, man, you know, run going there still, you know.
okay,
Yeah, man.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So when you cut it like this now and the water come, it run into the trench
Yeah,
instead of go inside.
Yeah, and go down in the next gutter.
Okay,
Above that one, you know.
okay, me understand.
Yeah, man.
I understand what's going on. So yeah, man. So you is the man that what I should say now. You is the man who in charge of the greenhouse for now, the farm,
Yeah, man.
when the boss is not around.
Yeah, man.
All right. So you do all those necessary work, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if there's anything not getting enough water, you is there to make sure.
Yeah, that then get water, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
So how long you have been working here?
Well, you know, say this year I'll make 2 years, you know.
Okay. So you here from start.
Yeah, man. From start, man.
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Yeah.
Understand. Okay. Yeah. So when the water come now, it run into the trench.
Yeah.
My viewers, as you can see, yeah, there's no water to run inside the greenhouse again. And you have the gutter bed here.
Yeah.
Yeah, up top here where all the water run. Alright. Yeah, good job. Good job, looking good. Yeah.
You don't cut yet still, you know.
Okay.
No, I'll sink it some more.
Oh, you're going to carry it deeper?
Yeah, man, I'll sink it some more, you know.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, man, I just I check him out and up, you know. It's next week now.
Yeah.
Sink him down deeper.
All right. So you're going to carry it right down to the end of the next one?
I'll turn the next one, yeah.
Oh, so when the water come and run off and go down into that one?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So yes, my viewers. So see on the job, you know, make sure everything is properly looked about on the greenhouse when Mr. Campbell is not here. Alright. So yes, as you can see, the farm is up to date. Alright. This end is gonna go back down to the other end, go back straight back into the catchment. Alright. So when the water run off.
For a while, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, for a while, I know. Alright, I think I must stop for a while.
Okay, I understand. So when the water run off of here, my viewers, it come here, run back and run out. So yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. You know what I mean? So yeah, my name is Ever Slick. I'm gonna be out for now. So stay tuned to see the next video coming up, alright? Yes, my viewers. Peace. And thank you for watching.